Hey guys, so if you are trying to find out a way to make a good thumbnails for your YouTube videos, and if you can't find any good websites for it, okay, so I know you can do it on ChatGPT, but I'll show you some other website like which I'm using right now. I just found it out like 2 3 days before, so I'm gonna share that website with you guys. So it's free to use. No, you don't need to sign up or you don't have to pay anything. It's free to use. So let me show you guys. Okay, so let me show you guys. Let me YouTube. Okay, let's go to view. I'm just gonna create one thumbnail for my video and I'll show you guys. Okay, let's take this video. The best way to remove the stains from Indian currency note. Okay, let me go here. You can see I don't have any thumbnail. I'm just using the random thumbnail which I got from YouTube. You open this,
is
copy this
update
thing.
करते हो
Okay, let's start type here. Okay, this it's this website here. jin.ai/2/YouTube thumbnail maker. Okay, this the link here. Create generate YouTube free YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Let's so right now I'm using this website. Okay, so I have my gaming channel also. So for that gaming channel, I'm using the same website. When I'm doing live, when I'm doing live stream, so I'm creating the thumbnail with the same website. Okay, so let's see what thumbnail this website is creating for us. Okay, there you go, guys. So it generated four thumbnails for me. You can see. Okay, okay. So let me use. Let's clear this website. Okay, profile, desktop. Okay, let's see now. Yes. So try it out, guys. Try the website. It's a very good website. Let me know in the comments about the review. Okay. So bye, guys.